Ideogram is one of the best free to text image AI tool that I have found, and in some cases it's better than Midjourney as well. So in this video we'll be seeing how to create high quality images and some of the best features of Ideogram, and at the end of each generation I will compare all the 3 photos. So make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, you need to sign in your Ideogram using your Gmail ID. Then here you need to enter your prompt whichever you need. At the bottom you can see the styles, and at the right hand side you can see the magic prompt. This magic prompt is a game changer. We will see how does this work. And next we have the aspect ratio, and here you can see the setting option. Here you can change the model as well. 1.0 is the latest version, and to change the settings of rendering, seed number, negative prompt, you need to upgrade your account. So we won't be using these things. So now I have 5 different types of prompts, and we will be creating using those prompts in the default method. Next with using styles, then we will be using the magic prompt. So now here we have our first prompt. We'll keep the aspect ratio to 16:9. A motion blurred image of a sleek luxury car speeding down a racetrack, kicking up dust and smoke as it takes a tight corner. So first we will be creating the image with the default option without using any style or the magic prompt. So now we'll click on generate. After clicking on generate, you need to wait for a few seconds to create another image. Nice, we have some cool images here, but there are few drawbacks in this image. Here you can see a human, but his face is not clear, and all the images are similar but the car design is different. Now we'll be using the styled option. For me, cinematic and photo style is the best, so we'll go with that one. If you want, you can choose other options too. Actually, you can choose multiple options. Pretty decent. Cinematic and photo style has given me a pretty decent photo, but the human image is still the same, and also the direction of the cars in all the images are same. So now we'll be creating using the magic prompt. As I have said, this is a game changer, and this will completely change the image generation process. We'll be using with the styles. So we'll now click on generate. There you go. There we have a beautiful created images. Here you can see the different car here, and the color is also changed. This is pretty good. So now this is a second prompt here, in which we will be creating a hyper realistic close-up of a 1967 Mustang GT. Let's generate with the default option first. That's pretty good. You can see the dust particles, you can see the logo, and also the gas station behind. These are the different options of the images. All are pretty good. Now we'll be creating using the style options, cinematic and photo. There we have our image. It looks pretty much similar as we created in the default mode, but now we'll be using the magic prompt to create it. Now that's what we were talking about, the magic prompt. You can see we have created a totally different image using the magic prompt. Just look at the details here. The sunshine, the reflections, the background, the dust particles. That is why the magic prompt is a game changer. Here is a third prompt, in which we'll be creating an image of a private jet standing on a luxurious private runway. The image is good, but it doesn't look realistic. As you can see, the background, the greenery, the sunlight, it looks like a fake one. Now we'll be using the styled version. Now it's pretty much good. As you can see, the reflections, the background, it's good actually, but it finds some difficulty in creating people images. Now we'll be going with the magic prompt and see how does this work. There we have our hyper realistic images, and it looks pretty cool, but you can find some error in the images. As you can see, here is the car, the truck, the human faces. Still, it's pretty good. This is our fourth prompt, where we'll be creating a diamond necklace. That's impressive. You can see the different versions of the same image with the different background. Now let's go with the styled version. Nice. The cinematic and photo style enhances the quality as well as the lighting. You can see the difference here. Now we'll use the magic prompt. The angle of the images has been changed, and also the jewelry style. That's not bad. Now we have the final prompt here, in which we'll be creating some logos. Now let's create a logo for my finance company, which is called Finance Opus. So I just forgot to change the aspect ratio, but it's fine. There we have our logos. To get the desired output, you can give a detailed prompt for the logos you want to create. Now we'll go with the photo and cinematic one. Oh my god, for some reason it's giving me human images here. Let's try with the magic prompt here. That's good. You can see the name of the company, the background, and also some graphics in the background. The best feature which I liked about Ideogram is the remix tool. Now in the home page, if you go to the explore option and you can scroll down and you can see many other type of images, and if you want to recreate those images, just click on it. For example, let's take a look at some of the images. For example, we'll take this image, click on it, and you can just remix with it. Just click on remix, and if you want to change the name, for example, I will change the name here. I will give it my name and click on generate. Now that's what I was talking about. Yes, it has some spelling mistakes, but this works on trial and error method. You need to change the prompt a little bit to get the perfect output. Now these were the few awesome images I created using Ideogram. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment down for more such videos.